Hello everyone, I am Dr. Hema Padmini, Consultant Radiation Oncologist at Onco Cancer Centers, Hyderabad. On the occasion of International HPV Awareness Day, I am going to discuss regarding HPV and HPV vaccine. What is HPV and how is it related to cancer? HPV is known as human papilloma virus. It is the most common sexually transmitted infection. This can cause common warts, plantar warts, genital warts, flat warts, and variety of cancers which include cervical cancer, vaginal cancer, vulvar cancer, penile cancer, anal cancer, and oropharyngeal cancer. About 90% of sexually active men and 80% of sexually active women are infected with HPV during their lifetime. HPV infections will resolve in a year or two without any symptoms due to strong immune response of the body. However, some immune systems are not able to fight back HPV and leads to persistence of the infection. If HPV infection persists in the body, it can cause mutations in the cells. These mutations can ultimately lead to the cancer. What is HPV vaccine and who are the eligible group to take vaccine? HPV vaccine causes immune system to produce antibodies that protect the body against the infection. There are 4 types of HPV vaccines: monovalent vaccine, bivalent vaccine known as Cervarix, quadrivalent vaccine known as Gardasil 4, and nanovalent vaccine known as Gardasil 9. Cervarix and Gardasil are available in India. These are prophylactic vaccines and are effective before any sexual infection. They are not therapeutic and do not treat any existing infection. Across the world, HPV infection is recommended to boys and girls at 11 to 12 years of age, but vaccination can be started as early as 9 years. The vaccination is highly recommended for all women till age 26, especially if they are not properly vaccinated for HPV. Can women more than 26 years of age take HPV vaccination? Yes, women who are not with abnormal pap smear and who are not currently HPV infected can be vaccinated. What is the dosing schedule for HPV vaccine? For children and teens who are aged 9 to 14 years, 2 doses of HPV vaccine is recommended. And for the people who are aged 15 and older, 3 doses are recommended. In the 2-dose schedule, the second dose is taken 6 months post first dose. In 3-dose schedule, the second dose is taken 1 to 2 months post first dose and third dose will be taken 6 months post first dose. Is there any recommendation change for people with low immunity? For people with low immunity conditions such as HIV infection, cancer, autoimmune disease, or taking immunosuppressant medications who are aged 9 to 26 years, 3 doses of HPV vaccine is recommended. Is there any recommendation change for people with diabetes or asthma? Diabetes or asthma in children do not suppress immune response to HPV vaccination. Hence, 2-dose schedule if they are aged 9 to 14 and 3-dose schedule if aged 15 and older is recommended. What cancers can be prevented with HPV vaccine and how effective is it? HPV vaccine can prevent variety of cancers that include cervical cancer, vaginal cancer, vulvar cancer, oropharyngeal cancer, penile cancer, and anal cancer. HPV vaccination can prevent more than 90% of cancers caused by HPV. What are the side effects of HPV vaccine? HPV vaccine do not cause any serious side effects. Several mild problems occur with HPV vaccine. Out of 10 vaccinated people, 8 people will get pain at the injection site. About 4 people who are vaccinated, 1 person will get redness or swelling at the injection site. Out of 10 people who are vaccinated, 1 person will get mild fever, and about 30 people who are vaccinated, 1 person will get itching at the injection site. What are the tests to detect HPV infection? Pap smear is the simple test which will detect the signs of HPV infection. If there is any abnormality in pap smear, we can proceed for HPV DNA testing or colposcopy. HPV DNA testing is used to detect DNA of the HPV in the test. Colposcopy, it is a diagnostic procedure that allows to check cervix and vaginal walls for any abnormal tissue with the help of special lighted microscope called colposcope. If any abnormalities are found, biopsy can be taken. Another simple test is acetic acid testing. In acetic acid testing, 3 to 5% acetic acid is applied inside the vaginal walls so that we can check abnormalities in the vagina or at near the cervix. If any abnormalities are found, biopsy can be taken. Is HPV vaccine recommended for pregnant women? HPV vaccine is not recommended during pregnancy. People known to be pregnant should delay initiation of vaccination until after the pregnancy. Can cancer patients who are on active treatment take HPV vaccine? Cancer patients cannot take HPV vaccine during their course of treatment. They can take vaccination 3 to 6 months post completion of their treatment.